Welcome back! We've just finished the first side of our pomegranate, and in today's lesson I'm going to walk you through the second half step by step so you can see exactly how it mirrors the first. Secure your thread at the starting point and load 2 sequins on your embroidery hook. Now let your hook guide along the design. Treat it like a pencil and draw your way across the fabric with the sequins. Once you reach the end of the drawn line, simply work a series of empty stitches back down to your starting point. To add some depth, I'm tucking the darker shade under the brighter green as I work through the second row. Make a short securing stitch, then finish the leaf by adding a third row of sequins right down the center.